Welcome to Growing Steps, a place where learning starts with small steps and grows into big success. Keep learning, keep growing, step by step. Let's begin. Question number 1. He was charged via fraud by the authorities. A, with, B, of, C, for, D, on. The right answer is with. Question number 2. She abstained, voting in the election. A, from, B, by, C, with, D, at. The right answer is from. Question number 3. The manager objected. I'm the new proposal. A, with, B, to, C, for, D, on. The right answer is to. Question number 4. He is incapable, telling a lie. A, to, B, from, C, of, D, for. The right answer is of. Question number 5. The success of the project depends as careful planning. A, at B, on, C, in, D, for. The right answer is on. Question number 6. She has great admiration. Her grandfather. A, with, B, for, C, of, D, on. The right answer is for. Question number 7. He was deprived his rights unfairly. A, from, B, of, C, with, D, at. The right answer is of. Question number 8. The scientist specialized in molecular biology. A, in, B, on, C, at, D, with. The right answer is in. Question number 9. She persisted. Her efforts despite criticism. A, in, B, on, C, at, D, with. The right answer is in. Question number 10. He is notorious. Ox arriving late. A, for, B, with, C, at, D, by. The right answer is for. Question number 11. The teacher insisted punctuality from all students. A, on, B, in, C, for, D, with. The right answer is on. Question number 12. They were compensated. The damages caused. A, for, B, with, C, by, D, at. The right answer is for. Question number 13. He was exempted, paying the tax. A, from, B, of, C, with, D, by. The right answer is from. Question number 14. She takes pride. Her achievements. A, on, B, in, C, at, D, with. The right answer is in. Question number 15. The committee approved B, the revised budget. A, of, B, for, C, with, D, at. The right answer is of. Question number 16. He is indifferent. Hajjao criticism. A for B to C with D on. The right answer is 2. Question number 17. She was engrossed. A fascinating novel. A with, B in, C on, D at. The right answer is in. Question number 18. The witness complied. Ow, the court order. A to B with, C for, D on. The right answer is with. Question number 19. He refrained, making unnecessary comments. A by, B with, C from, D at. The right answer is from. Question number 20. She is proficient. Wow, 3 foreign languages. A on, B in, C at, D with. The right answer is in. Question number 21. The company is accountable its shareholders. A to B for, C with, D at. The right answer is 2. Question number 22. He was skeptical. The accuracy of the report. A of B for, C with, D on. The right answer is of. Question number 23. She succeeded, right, convincing the jury. A at, B in, C on, D with. The right answer is in. Question number 24. The government appealed SCDAB international assistance. A for, B to, C with, D at. The right answer is 4. Question number 25. He was accused, or leaking confidential information. A with, B by, C of, D at. The right answer is of. Question number 26. She is committed, promoting equal opportunities. A on, B with, C to, D at. The right answer is 2. Question number 27. The child was frightened. The loud noise. A from, B of, C by, D with. The right answer is by. Question number 28. He objected, being treated unfairly. A to B for, C with, D at. The right answer is 2. Question number 29. The professor congratulated her with her outstanding research. A on, B for, C with, D at. The right answer is on. Question number 30. She was dissatisfied. Pass the final decision. A by B with, C for, D at. The right answer is with. Question number 31. The speaker alluded recent political events. A, on, B, to, C, with, D, for. The right answer is 2. Question number 32. He was absorbed, ekyan his work all day. A, on, B, in, C, with, D, at. The right answer is in. Question number 33. She apologized at the misunderstanding. A, for, B, with, C, on, D, at. The right answer is 4. Question number 34. The judge presided, the hearing. A, over, B, on, C, at, D, with. The right answer is over. Question number 35. He is acquainted. Several influential people. A, by, B, with, C, to, D, for. The right answer is with. Question number 36. She was astonished. Thought the sudden announcement. A, at, B, with, C, for, D, by. The right answer is at. Question number 37. The minister resigned. His position yesterday. A, from, B, of, C, with, D, at. The right answer is from. Question number 38. He was involved, organizing the conference. A, on, B, in, C, with, D, at. The right answer is in. Question number 39. She has confidence. Her team's abilities. A, on, B, in, C, with, D, for. The right answer is in. Question number 40. The lawyer objected das the evidence presented. A, to, B, for, C, with, D, at. The right answer is 2. Question number 41. He is eligible. Admission to the program. A, with, B, to, C, for, D, at. The right answer is 4. Question number 42. She was discouraged. The negative feedback. A, by, B, with, C, from, D, at. The right answer is by. Question number 43. The organization appealed Ashansai donors for support. A, with, B, to, C, for, D, at. The right answer is 2. Question number 44. He was addicted. Online gaming. A, with, B, on, C, to, D, for. The right answer is 2. Question number 45. The report consists 5 detailed sections. A, from, B, in, C, of, D, with. The right answer is of. Thanks for watching Growing Steps. If you learned something today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.